we want some fundamental product. Now question is, first question arises, what is a fundamental product? Fundamental product is the product of all possible terms in an expression. Fundamental product is the product of all possible terms in an expression. For example, let's consider a function. F is equal to a bar bc plus b bar c bar plus ab d bar. This is our function. Now, this function is not a fundamental form. Conversion of expression into fundamental form. How we will make that? Check the number of variables present in the expression. Complete the missing variables in each term. Now rewrite the expression in the forms of fundamental products. These obtained terms are also called as mean terms. Complement of these mean terms is called max terms. So these are the fundamental products. Now this was our equation. This equation, how many variables are there? 4 variables, A, B, C, D. Now the above term contains 4 variables, A, B, C, D. First term contains A, B, C. Here D is missing. Complete it by adding D in it. But how you will add it? The question is here. Everyone is aware of that. We can multiply 1 with any term. We can multiply 1 with any term. And 1 is term plus its complement. So we will multiply this equation, this term, with D plus D bar. So A bar BC is equal to A bar BC into D plus D bar. So this will be the term. These two terms have all the 4 variables. Now these terms are in fundamental form. Similarly, convert all terms into terms having all 4 variables. Then it will be in fundamental form. Now, solution. Now, this term will be equal to this term. How? I have explained this term as this. Now B bar C bar will be equal to these 4 terms. And last term will be equal to this term. Is it okay? Now this term, it will be equal to B bar C bar into A plus A bar into D plus D bar. Opening the brackets, we will have 2 terms from this value and 2 terms from this value. So we will have 4 terms different. And the last term, it will be multiplied. This term will be multiplied with AB D bar into C plus C bar. So we will get ABC D bar plus ABC bar D. Now, one point to be noted here is that while writing a fundamental form, while writing the fundamental product form, all variables should be in order. Clear? A is
Yes, sir.
on the first point, next B, next C, and the last is D. That should be kept in mind. That is an important point. that order of variables should be same in each fundamental product. Now we want to write this in terms of truth table. Now we have A, B, C, D, the values, and these A, B, C, D have all the combinations of A, B, C, D. The values of these is written as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the next term will be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So these are the numbers. Now you want to write these equations. These are the fundamental equations. So how you will write it? Now this is A bar, B, C, D. A bar means A is 0, B is 1, C is 1, D is 1. That's why it is written just like this, A bar. If A bar, A is 0, A bar will be equal to 1. So this term will give us answer 1. In mean terms, you have to keep in mind that answer will be 1. So these are the terms. 0, 1, 1, 1 will be equal to 7. Now this term, this will be 0, 1, 1, 0. This is equal to 3. So if I give you a different color, you can see that this term is written here. Verified. A bar, B, C, D bar. Okay. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, the above equation, this equation, it is written here. Now, this equation, A, B bar, C bar, D, it is 1, 0, 0, 1. This is this term. And we have equation A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. All these terms are inverted. This is the first equation. All having 0 values. This will be 0, 0, 0, 0. So now these values will be written as, the equation will be written as F is equal to summation M. M is, small m is for mean terms. Summation, that means you are adding all the terms. We have an addition of all the terms. So this is also known as sum of products. This is the sum of products of terms. So what are the values? 0, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, and 14. So these are our values: 0, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, and 14. So it is easy to write in this form of sum of products or mean terms. Now maximize the following Boolean function. We have this A bar, B bar, C bar plus AB plus AB bar, ABC bar plus AC. This term comes out to be this equation, and we can write from these two terms. So you will have this type of equation. This is your homework. How to compute this? One point note: if a fundamental product form is repeated, eliminate one of the terms. You will not keep both the terms. If the fundamental product has repeated terms, you will discard one of the repeated term. Now SOP and POS form. Mean terms are also called as sum of products, and max terms are also called as product of sums. Now, taking complement of SOP form, for example, A, B, C, D we have, and if I take the complement of this, I will have A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. Now these are two terms, A, B, C, D, and A bar, B, C, D bar. Taking complement of whole term, this complement. Now what will happen? We will have A, B, C, D whole complement. In place of plus, we will have dot, and I will have A bar, B, C, D bar whole complement. Now this whole complement will be divided into A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. Dot as it is. Now the next term will be equal to A double complement plus B complement plus C complement plus D double complement. So this term will be equal to A, B bar plus C bar plus D. So now this is known as product of sums. That is known as POS form. Is it clear? Any doubt? If any doubt,
No, sir.
you are free to ask. Should we move forward? Okay. We will study this SOP and POS form in detail in the next class. That's enough for today.